Welcome to our discussion. I'm Anne, and I'm joined by my fellow researchers, Grace, Shanna, and Jaylin.
So for the first few months, we've been diving into the phenomenon where the individual's experiences, but rarely talks about. It is the silent drift.
We interview individuals who experience outgrown friendship, particularly in unspoken loss. And today, we're going to share to you the 3 core themes that emerge from our study.
Alright, so for our first major theme, that would be self-concept clarification. So we found out that when friendship actually fades, it actually forces an individual to look inward. Yeah, exactly. One of our participants mentioned na hindi niya babaguhin niya yung sarili niya just to make friends. So parang it's showed us na outgrowing a connection is often a catalyst for personal transformation.
Yes. So aside from that, meron din tinatawag na identity preservation. Wherein the individual or someone realize na hindi niya kailangan makipit in or hindi niya kailangan makipit in sa isang group or specific group.
So bakit nga ba nangyayari yan? Dito napapasok yung relational navigation, wherein as we comes into our 20s, our relational bandwidth narrows.
Right, so we also identified yung institutional separation as a big factor. So sabi nila high school or college daw, that would be the glue on holding friendships together. Pero once the environment change, doon napapasok yung the effort to stay connected with each other becomes heavy with other people or for some friendships. Yeah. So, we also consider yung mga NBSP perspective. Sila yung mga individuals na hindi pa nakakaranas ng romantic relationships, right? So, sa mga friends sila kumukuha ng emotional support. So, pag na-experience nila yung kind of drifts, which is the unspoken loss, it feels even more significant sa kanila.
But aside from that, kailangan din nating makita or mapaliwanag yung sa social media, how social media plays a role. Kasi ang social media it is a double sword. Nakikita natin sila, pero sa kabila nun, hindi na natin sila kasama.
At doon nga, papasok ang ating team ay nag-suggest ng strategy na tinatawag na positive distant, what do you call that? Positive distant observation. Thank you for that. Positive distant observation wherein pwede kang makafeel ng kasiyahan towards dun sa previous mong friend na hindi nag-a-assume o hindi nakaka-receive ng pressure o pressure force a communication. Hindi mo kailangan mag-expect, hindi mo kailangan magbigay, pero nandoon. Sumusuporta ka pa din.
Yes,
right?
tama yan. So, it's like you're actually protecting your peace while also maintaining yung positive regard for the past, right?
Yes.
So, how do our participant cope? They develop emotional fortitude.
Pero additional sa emotional fortitude, meron ding temporal acceptance wherein the person or the individual realize na kailangan nila tanggapin yung sarili nila or kailangan nila tanggapin na ang friendship or some friendship happens for a season or a reason.
And one of our participants also shared that ending is a protection or necessarily a redirection na they stop blaming themselves, herself, and started using the katagang everything, it's not like that. Kung para sa'yo, ay para sa'yo. She mentioned it.
Yeah. So, it's like what's meant for you will always come its way back to you.
Yes.
So, the goal of this research or this digital advocacy is to normalize yung gradual fading of friendships or this drift, right? Because it's natural part of growing up, right?
And with that, I'm gonna ask you this. As part of emerging adulthood, and in this season, let me ask you, nakaranas ka na ba ng pagkakaroon ng outgrowing ng isang friendship, particularly in unspoken loss?
Actually, oo. That's why yung mga na-experience tsaka yung mga naramdaman ng mga ating mga participants, naramdaman ko din. Kung bagay nagkaroon ako ng empathy sa kanila.
Empathy. A sense of empathy.
Yes.
That's good to hear that. And how about you? Based on our participants' answers, how it reflect in your life as an emerging
Okay.
adult, and how it shaped you somehow.
Yeah. So, dun sa mga natin participant, yung mga
na-interview.
story nila,
Mhm.
yung mga experience nila, parang pinarealize nun sa akin, well, sana sa atin din na some friendships stay for a reason or a season. Parang hindi lahat ng tao na dumadating sa buhay natin is nag-stay. Minsan, kailangan nila umalis at yun yung kailangan natin tanggapin.
As you mentioned, may reason, may
Oo,
dahilan.
meron.
How about you? Can you elaborate the saying, everything happens for a reason?
So, yung study kasi natin, naranasan ko rin siya. So, before, parang iisip mo na, yung certain friend na to is partners in crime kayo, and then napipicture out nyo na yung friendship na yon na parang in the future, ay, bridesmaid ko to, ganyan. Tapos, it turned out na parang hindi na pala. Kasi, there's people na papalit na mas better, kumbaga. Pero, ayun, that means lang na yung friendship na yun, it will forever be known to each other no matter how life changes.
Ang nakakatuwa dito, nang marinig ko ang inyong mga point of view, ay merong impact, nagkaroon ng reflection yung ating study sa ating mga buhay. Hindi nakakatuwa doon, di ba? So, if you have something na gusto pang i-share about it, do you wanna share anything? Or we're okay now?
Parang dun sa study natin, nakarelate tayo, no? Parang hindi natin siya ginawa for completion.
Yes.
Tama.
As not
Yes.
for completion.
Oo, kasi yung study natin, kaya natin siya napili because it's close to our heart. Kumbaga, naranasan natin, relational experience for everyone.
Pati alam natin na mahirap. Alam na, simula na, alam natin na mahirap na gumawa ng research. Pero pag curious ka, nandun yung hirap, pero nandun yung
Gusto mo yung
gusto mo
ginagawa
yung
mo.
ginagawa mo. Masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Tulad nung nagsulat tayo, parang masaya tayo na nagsusulat tayo, hindi lang dahil sa, ay, ipapasa ko to. Parang nagsusulat tayo kasi,
May gusto tayong malaman.
may gusto tayong malaman.
May gusto tayong ma-uncover. Detectives.
So if you're feeling silent grief, know that is your sign for your own evolution.
So, thank you for joining our discussions.
Always remember, carry the lessons and not the way.
And we will see you for the next one.
Bye!